ग्रेट वेल्थ कॉमर्स। नमस्ते और आप सभी का स्वागत है द सुपर निर्मल मिंडा स्कूल पॉडकास्ट वॉइसेस दैट इंस्पायर में,
जहाँ हर बात होती है दिल से,
हर सोच होती है नई
और हर एक मेहमान एक नई कहानी लेकर आता है। Here we don't just ask questions, we celebrate journey and explore ideas
and amplify voices that moves us. This is a space where we bring stories, journeys and insights from people who have made a real difference.
Today's episode is extra special because we have with us an incredible guest, Mr. Nirmal Kumar Minda sir, Chairman and Managing Director of Uno Minda Group and co-founder of the Suman Nirmal Minda School. Sir, it's such an honor to have you here with us.
Welcome, sir.
Thank you, Ranjuji. Thank you, Mr.
Welcome, sir. So now let's move on to our segment 1. So our first question for you, sir, is can you share with us how your journey began and what motivated you to choose this path?
Oh, so thank you for this question. Very inspiring journey. I would say very tough, a lot of learning. And maybe I will start with my father a little bit and then I will come to my journey. My father was born in a silver spoon way back in 1930. Until the age of 24, his age of 24 until you can say 1954. Very rich. And 1954 he started declining and almost zero. Then he started his journey again. And for the next 36 years he was a kind of a well-off. So he gave he was not well in between. I joined him at my age of 17 at that time, and he was almost 50. So since he was not well, so that was the one reason I was forced to join and leave my study in between in the almost second years, and then I completed later. So that was the starting point. So what motivated me? When I joined at the age of 17, there were 80 employees and the group turnover was, at that time it was a small scale factory of 7 lakh rupees per year, which was around 55,000. And then, as I mentioned, that long journey. So you may say that I have traveled each and every corner of the country, selling spare parts and selling to the OEMs, going to each part of the country, OEMs, and then today we are luckily, with the God grace, with the hard working, passion, perseverance, whatever you may call, that 35,000 our family member, and we are now we have 75 plants, and including international and domestic, and a group turnover of $2.5 billion USD. So this is the journey in brief.
Truly inspiring and motivational for all of us. So we just wanted to know what is your vision for the Suman Nirmal Minda School and what kind of atmosphere do you want students to experience now?
So this journey of our school and the surrounding these skill centers, we have 17 such kind of centers in India, even in Indonesia, and the basic philosophy and the purpose was that whatever we earn, we want to give back to society. So with that objective in the mind, we opened this school. And vision is that I wish and I pray that whosoever study from this school should continue to grow in their career, their life. They should do something great, which they should be remembered by the school, and it should be a kind of a motivation for the children who are studying there, and they should also learn back and continue to give the society.
Yes, sir, that's really insightful. Now moving ahead, when things get challenging, what simple thoughts or habits help you to stay calm and focused?
Oh, very tough question. Your question is, but yes, the times are, many times there are tough times, but tough times are kind of a lesson to learn. So you should not do the same mistake whatever you have done. We are all human beings. We continue to do good things and sometimes we do mistakes. So we should take some breath whenever you get, some, I would say, anger or something. Take deep breath, take some water, and think down, calm down, and think what has gone wrong, what can I do better, and then discuss with your team member, your colleague, your team member, this is my tough time, and they can give you some ideas. You can simulate those ideas and then take a corrective action and move forward. But never give up.
Yes.
That's really good advice. As we all know, it's only the small habits that make the big difference. So next question we have is, what message would you like to give to young students about following their dreams while staying true to their roots and values?
Very correctly said. The basic is the root and value. What we say, हम लोग संस्कार बोलते हैं हमारे. तो संस्कार अपने माता पिता से मिलते हैं, हमें संस्कार समाज से मिलते हैं, एंड इकोसिस्टम से मिलते हैं. तो हमारी जो भारतीय संस्कृति है, our Indian values are great, and which teaches us respect to the elders, respect to the parents, respect to your colleagues, and listen more, act, and team working. So because one man cannot, yes, in the IT sector and all, you can contribute even individual, but as a whole you have to work as a system as a whole. So we have a slogan in our company, one team, one voice, one goal. So that is the mantra I would like to say, and while continue to the basic values.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Such words of encouragement will surely inspire many of us. So let's now add some energy and fun to our next segment. We will ask you some quick and fun questions. Question number 1. If you could spend a day doing anything you love, what would it be?
I would like to spend leisure time with my grandchildren and have fun with them.
Something that always cheers you up.
Positiveness and empathy.
A habit that helps you to stay positive.
My never give up attitude, I would say.
Something that always cheers you up.
The upliftment of underprivileged society.
Third, a habit that helps you to stay positive.
Never give up attitude.
One quality you admire in people.
Empathy and commitment.
One word that describes you best.
I'm a very simple man and grounded man.
A book or story that inspired you. A book or story that inspired you.
So that is Mahabharata story and Bhagavad Gita.
One piece of advice you would give to your younger self.
So again, hardworking, passionate, and never give up attitude, and continue to have values and culture, whatever has been taught.
That was so quick and simple. Such an honest answers. Now moving to the next. So next segment is finish the sentence. So we'll start a sentence and you just need to finish it. So first sentence is, life has taught me that.
The preference and the giving back.
True happiness is.
When you get a success, you are always happy. So please strive for that.
A good leader always.
Who develops in other leaders and who continue to work on human development.
When I feel stuck, I
take a calm breath and then relook what has happened and try to improve. Continuous improvement is the mantra.
A school becomes special when
it is known by the parents, they are happy that their children are there, students are happy that they are getting better educations, and it is known in the community and society for their good work.
Okay, sir. Such beautiful answers, and it's amazing how simple sentences can bring out so much wisdom.
So inspiring and relatable. We are sure they will leave a positive mark on all our listeners. So this is the Suman Nirmal Minda podcast. मिलते हैं अगले एपिसोड में एक नए मेहमान, एक नए चेहरे के साथ और एक नई कहानी. तब तक के लिए keep learning, keep shining and keep growing. Thank you.
बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं.
Thank you, sir.